United Airlines pilots approved an agreement avoiding around 2,850 furloughs set to take effect later this week, as well as another 1,000 set for early next year. Airline officials say the deal reduces involuntary job cuts to fewer than 12,000 if Congress fails to provide more aid to airlines before a Thursday deadline. The Airline Pilots Association says the deal lets United save jobs until at least next June by dividing a reduced amount of flying across the airline's 13,000 pilots. Katie Johnston for CBS Chicago.